Hello everyone. This is part 2 of the account opening process with KK Securities Limited. In this video, I will tell you what all you will have to do after successful online application submission. Power of attorney. As per the existing regulatory guidelines, clients can give power of attorney in favor of their stockbrokers for the purpose of transferring securities from their individual demat account to broker's demat account for the purpose of meeting their pay in or margin obligation. If you wish to read more about power of attorney, I have added a link in description. Now, we will courier you the power of attorney at your address, and you will have to sign the power of attorney at three places, and you will have to mention your contact number. Make sure you mention your contact number correctly, and contact number should be same as you have mentioned in the application, and then you will have to courier it back to the address mentioned here. You'll also have to download the Go Trader Pro app by KK Securities Limited. Meanwhile, we will add you to our WhatsApp broadcast list. In that WhatsApp group, you will be receiving all the market related updates. For example, IPO related updates and any opportunity that come across. After online successful submission of your application, you will be receiving this email that your application with reference number this has been accepted by KK Securities Limited. And also this welcome letter, this welcome letter will consist all your details, your bank account details and other details. To log into your app, Go Trader Pro app, you will be receiving one SMS and email. In that, it will be mentioned that your login ID, new login password, and a new transaction password. These all details are very confidential, and make sure you do not share these with anyone. Now, this is the KK Securities website, and to log in to your back office or to log in through the web portal, you will have to click on client login. After that, a page will appear. In that, you will have to enter your client code as your login ID, and password is your PAN number. Make sure that you do not confuse with the application login ID and password and your back office login ID and password. Your login ID will remain same, which is your client code, and your password is different in case of application that you will receive over SMS and email. And for back office, your password is your PAN. When you will be signing in, you will be seeing the home page. In that, you will be seeing all the transactions that you have done so far, your balances and other details. For example, home page, portfolio, holding, ledger, bills and contract, reports that will be containing the global reports and other things, and online payment. If you wish to make online payment through here, for example, you want to transfer your funds from saving account to trading account, you can do that from here also. And last tab is log out, that you can log out from here. Thank you and happy investing.